how to create a 3D t-shirt mock-up with your design using Mockey. First, search for Mockey on Google or simply click the link in the description. From there, click on the 3D mock-up option. Here you can choose from a variety of product categories, but for this video, we will choose this t-shirt mock-up. Now click on Upload Your Images option. Through this window, you can see how your design looks from different angles. From here, you can change the garment color. You can choose from a wide variety of backgrounds, or you can make it transparent. If you want to animate the mock-up, simply choose between rotation or scale. Once selected, the animation applies automatically. You can hit the download button, which will start a 5-second timer and apply the selected animation. Or you can create any motion by simply dragging the mock-up with your mouse. And just like that, you've created an animated 3D mock-up that you can showcase for your e-commerce store and much more. You can also download it as a PNG. Simply choose your preferred angle and hit the download button.